Sleeper Sport family. Oh, I gotta turn this way. What's going on, everybody? We back again. Sleeper Sport family, what's going on? So today's agenda, we are on my Monte Carlo and we are working on taking out this old wiring harness and putting in the new wiring harness and mocking up everything and see how everything fits in. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but I have been doing work on the car. So that's the main goal, is just to knock out work. You know what I'm saying? I could have been going a little bit faster, but I had stuff going on. Had been working on my truck back there, Big Duke, as y'all can see. Been whooping my ass because I'm not a decent mechanic at all, but you know, I'm trying to figure it out, make it happen. So today, yeah, let me turn this around. And there we go. That's what I got going on. Got the motor out, sold it to somebody on Facebook Market. Motor and transmission. Sprayed everything down really good. Got a few coats down, as you can see. Boom. Got a few coats down. But yeah, this is where we at right now. Trying to get this out of here. So everything is pretty much for what I need on this side is already taken out. I'm not running any AC. This is gonna be a turbo build. I'll try to get vintage AC when that is realistically affordable, because right now not happening. So yeah, we're gonna go in here and take this computer out, you know, get in here and take this computer out and just see what we got. Y'all know, this is my first time doing all this stuff, but we just making it happen. Shouldn't be too hard with this. Hope everybody had a good day, you know. Good day going, all that good stuff. So. My bad, everybody. There we go. So yeah, it's actually in here pretty good. I hope I can put my other box in. I know y'all probably like, bro, you can't take the computer out? Ah, man. I ain't never did this before. Not saying that's the excuse, but my thing is I don't like to break nothing. So you never know, somebody might want to buy this. Shoot. This joint don't want to come out. Oh, wow. There we go. Get this demonstration up out of here. If anybody need this, let me know. I got you. So I'm about to go around. From this side. me see what angle I got y'all on. Oh. It's gonna be hard to work this through. Oh, that's why. All right, we got the wiring harness out. As y'all can see, everything is disconnected. I have a few wires that I have to keep on that side. I gotta do that in a second, but this right here, you want to keep this. This is the grommet that goes inside the firewall. It's really strong, and it puts the bend in the wire harness so you can put it inside your vehicle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come with the blade. Keep your fingers and your palms out your way. Don't want none of those problems. I know my blade is sharp enough. There we go. Just wanna split that open. Work on getting that down. Okay, we want to keep this. I don't play about blades and stuff, so I'm not even about to hold it no other way. You dig? Safety first. I got a new wire harness, so I'll cut into the wire harness before I cut into me. You know, just sharpen up the blade. Just gotta work it. Patience. Get up in there. All right. Put that down. Oh, a little bit more. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. I ain't going for that palm. You cut your palm, there's nothing but just oozing blood. We ain't doing none of that. There you go. Oh, that thing go just like that. Get that up out of there. You need that. See how it's still strong? You can fit your new harness right up in there. Still. And clean some of that out. Whoa, see, I saw that? That's what I don't play about. No, sir. Yeah, so not a professional, but professionally doing it. Got this about to show y'all my wire harness again in detail. So yeah, anyway, that was enough. Got that cleaned out. So bam, there we go. Got that new thing in here. Oh, should I keep that? That's crazy. I'll probably just use this new one. I would prefer, but it's probably like it's gonna be pretty good. Still good. We're still good, people. So yeah, that's what we got going on, as y'all can see. So this is going to replace that, and I only need a few wires from that. Not particularly sure what's. Yes, I am. I have them taped off. The wires that I actually need. So I'm gonna do that in a whole nother segment because I need to look in detail and make sure I don't take off the wrong stuff. Definitely ain't got no time for that. So as far as getting this mocked up on this side, we good. Everything cleaned out, everything good. Let me take this and put this back on this side, so I won't be thinking that I done like I'm in the clear. Which I am not. So I'm not even gonna act like it. Just need to make sure I keep the things I need. And nothing in between. So I was gonna have everything re-loomed, but like I said, I got the whole new wire harness, as y'all can see. So this is just a little small little mock-up today. Small little mock-up. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Ouch. That hurt my chest. So yeah. Let me go ahead and get set up on putting everything else back in, and I'll be right back. All right, as y'all can see, we got that. We got the harness all the way through the firewall. I just wanted to see what it would look like and what I gotta do. Probably gotta start mocking up how I'm gonna hide a lot of this stuff, where I want my stuff to be located. I know I want this to be by my radio. This is going to be behind here. I probably won't reach right now, but I get the gist of that. Or it's going to be on the back of the plate that's up here on the ground. Put it like that for right now. Because it's definitely gonna be way too big to put back in the original spot. That ain't gonna. We're just gonna sit there right there for right now, which is right here. So I'm just let that rest right there. Yes, sir. Slowly but surely. I really would want to try to get it back in here and put it back into the side of the wall, but how would that work? Y'all think I'll have to cut this out, right? Let's see, I'll probably have to cut the side out and have it sitting flat in the bottom. I'm probably gonna have to mock this up, cut this out, and sit the computer. Let me see if I can sit the computer in here on the side. Let me try it. Let me see. Gotta do a little fabricating. That's the fun part about working on cars. You can, you know what I'm saying, just use your creativity. That's the funnest part. Everything came through smooth. Yes, sir, and out the way. So, see if I can fabricate something up with this. Get this chopped up real quick. Let me get my little setup going. Chop down. Back again, Sleeper Sport. This is continuation from yesterday because I just had to stop out of nowhere. But yeah, so I'm on the wiring harness right now. Basically already got it separated, got it broke down. I thought it was gonna be way more, but I checked in the book and it was really nothing. So got my the lights, the wiring harness, I broke that down, and I did that because I want to re-lumen and put electrical tape, and I have to change some of the fittings or the ends for the bulbs and stuff. So that's all good. Got that out the way and got that labeled up. And as far as the main harness on what I need, got everything coming out to right here, and about to go ahead and follow this last red cord wire. I believe that goes to the alternator. So I'm gonna just get that last one out, and as far as this, it'll be bust down and ready to go. So today's project is just pretty simple. It's just gonna be an add-on, so I'm just gonna drop this in, not too much, and start working on where I'm gonna locate my battery in the back, and I'm gonna use my old battery tray, do some budget stuff, clean it off, clean the rust off, spray it down, and weld it in the back, since it's just a regular tray anyway. So yeah, so that's where I'm at for today, and I'm just gonna keep this going. All right, here's the update, everybody. Got my pink, got my red wires, everything that I need to use to run to the inside, back to the inside of the car with the main harness or whatnot. So I'm coming down. I got one more wire that I need to take off. It's just this one right here. As you see with the pinky, I'm just gonna chop that one, and yeah, I'll be freed up. As far as these other wires, I don't need these, so these will be chopped off. I'm gonna just double check before I chop it, because I don't want to have any of those problems. But I believe that just goes to this side of the harness that I don't need. So yeah, as y'all can see, got everything separated, looking good, making progress. That's my new harness, that's to the computer over there. There go the headlight harness that I'm gonna go through, like I said, and this is what I'm working on right now. And I have also, I found, well, just not found, this is just the regular stuff that's a part of the battery with the old school from the original wiring. But this is the wiring harness from this 80, no, it was a 96 Caprice that I had. And I have extra, it was a 9C1. It was a police car. So it came with extra battery connections to run. So I have extra wiring that I'm gonna use to run, because I'm gonna put my battery in the trunk, and I have the terminal that I'm gonna put on the side of the wall, and I just have extra wiring that I'll be able to use, and that's just pretty cool. Be able to keep some of my first car, keep that alive. That'll be fun. So yeah, anyway, also I have an idea with putting my, let me move all this out the way. Oh man. So I'm gonna make my own relocation mount. So we're gonna use the original tray. Oh man, we might not. That's all right. I'll be able to clean that up. Let me go ahead and spray that down now. So we're gonna use the original tray, clean this up, spray this, and put some paint on it. Well, I'm not gonna paint it first, but I'm gonna mount this, I'm gonna weld this into the trunk. So I'm back to make my own relocation kit, basically. I'm gonna put that down here like this. Voila. So I have my battery mounted down here, sturdy and out the way. So we're gonna save money on that. And I got my shocks to put in, and gotta cut the hole so I'll be able to get to my fuel tank from the top and not have to worry about always taking it off from the bottom of the car. That's one of the things I always wanted to do. Saw that idea from the street racers, not the street racers, pro mods and stuff, few pro mods on YouTube. So yeah, that's what I got going on. That's my little idea. So we'll be doing that in the next episode or two. We'll start working on that. But one thing, gotta stick to the main thing first. So just doing the wiring before I even start the battery stuff, I just gotta make sure I get all my wiring together in the front. And I have my motor mounts. Probably gonna do that too. So everything coming together slowly but surely. Yep. So gonna go ahead and get that going. Pretty much done for the day. And just giving y'all an update on where I'm at. Everything's coming together. Thank you for checking in, tuning in. Sleeper Sport Labs, we out. Next episode coming soon. Peace.